Omubasomu ya omwancho muligeredwe getaseni kya Ndizi TV na bwo bwansu bwo mu Gusii ngwege rit kuri aho ndigenderete ko baritoera kigima na nene no genderete kwego batia obereye getaseni kya Ndizi TV ekerorire rit koria ijuma tariki 14 cy'umutiyenye 10 omwaka bw'ekibu Ibere na meronko Ibere nigo cyaragire Chinsa Isano na Ibere cyabona mubaso ekerongo kwariganira nkumanye na raya yankwariganeretie asenchira ere yobenge yendera gotonyora sensemo ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asesemo ya YouTube to watu wetra Ndizi TV News na wetra at Ndizi TV go as website yaito nigora tonyora wetra www.ndizitv.org.ke eryo togendrego kumanya mankeri tariane Everline Osero oritokubwatrana nere kwenekia awikira sensemo imanyerero nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta kama nento wikomoeryo Ngokwariga nito chake Amayia ye Chinsa Isano na Ibere asenchera ere yobwenge gotuguterware kwebina ebyo bibabwatiranetie egatia barayi bage siasa amono mu director of public prosecution Noldin Haj nigo bigendrete koleta ebirengereryo ase abamanyiberi chiko na boigo abananchi mu wakili Danstan Omari nigakwaneire enganeyo.
We have seen several high-flying cases on anti-corruption being dropped or being withdrawn by the Director of Public Prosecution. The Director of Public Prosecution is an office created under Article 157 of the Constitution. The Director's mandate and powers are spelled out within Article 157, 1A up to 157(11). In those powers, all prosecution powers, all powers to charge are vested in the office of the Director of Public Prosecution. He exercises independence in decision making on matters who to charge, who not to charge, and even if a Kenyan goes to court under private prosecution, the powers of the Director of Public Prosecution are that the Director can come, take over that matter, that is a private prosecution, and terminate it. So, is the Director of Public Prosecution within the law to drop the charges? Yes. Kenyans will make a lot of noise that the Director is going overboard. The powers of the Director of Public Prosecution are one, he cannot be directed by anybody.
Omuteneneri waba director bechae ase zone ya 10 mu county ya Kisii gose zone 11 ombaso mweno nigatayire na bachakire chinchera egose bachakire emerobero yo gutwara chinchera chinya cyo gotora echae asomurobero yo manyikalite una orthodox askira tayire una mbale tayare guchaka chinchera cyo one bagochya wancherwa yani go yakwanete ase musangirekano waba director bechae nabo igo abaremi korwa sense moyo gembo chinga kibalenge go kwanira chinchera Racho wekinya ase obolemi bwechae
natonyole orthodox line eidebe kutendere useberege ogembo usaki eberege ekia orthodox tibono neretakeire ensengima demand yerego kasau mwancha by next year angomutin July yakomanya tulenga ngwaguture an orthodox line Elindebe ku either Ugembo Tea Factory or Everege Tea Factory.
Omo director bwechae korwa sebunge ya Bonchari nigo aboririe abalemi gotore chae ngiya iri kubairera barabwo konyora amachani amaya okwana chinga kicho musangirekano okorekanete rit kuregoro nigo boigo abetega korwa egekuege tindi gochiase aba director abo bagusangereria chise ikorwa sabaremi unenchire yemo yokorigie menganyi yokoirana se abisi
yage kurumugondo egochaka kurumugondo toretere chae ngiya Poli titige bororo Chinsa mo chinde batubwete kibasikinga senge bakoigwera ekerto batanga toeja endia mokoranga nese ekitobwa kunga gisigine jango ligukire mubate binga ekoti tebwa tijaye abantu bapate jaye nabale Nanda bali miabu abu na babo je mugaso igoro batebe na kibata kya ya bangwe. Wala ni. Amangana italia maya. Ojini integera yo no monjali akwanete.
Chinga kiechwano aba director abo babete bagusanga n'abaremi ko bwatukana no gukinia oburemi bwechae nigo babete bagoteba nango cyabare koruwania obukurumi obu bwarokanire ase chi factory au asama tukambagega.
Bochoke enyombe ige bocho ire iba dunia yote. Yerense moge gotwa. Tukachaka gusibeke bae mase kama nande ndura akura gusiba. Nona yande nale murate bigwe ubaisa kurusikianga muruani abantu. Ebao biribinde bibochokete binge mbiro bibochokete bakabietaneti ngo bitebigwe tinda yokwanaga. Mwesa ko endakineke ige karamo ko bitebigwa. Mwesa ko bitebwe mukuru amugende kuruani abantu. Ndwanda kini? Ndwana ine. Oranya wote bunga ningole tengombe na ngombe itere korokana. Ngote binga na ngombe ngombe lakini ngomboni ngaye ngombe rebo igo ngombu yane. Ekitani ke bae kenane. Ngebochogete.
Omokonyi bw'omugambi bw'ensemo ya machongo nigaboririe abamenyi ba machongo yo gutoka se wodi yabo kitendere wesokia asobunge ekero kireke kitarike 20 cy'umutinyo yega eriyo gocengera ritko lya Mashujaa Day abunenchireyemo yo kubayinyora abanyankongo au
eshere nene mono ya Mashujaa Day eyera abe aramisi muna lero ewiki wocha nero twarenge kwaligani igo nande nkokebeka bunali tangaso mwensi mwaliganiri eshere yera abaramisi evenyu era abe machongo bali baga igego muiwete machongo torache gosherekea Mashujaa Day naye onye ko instance ega ko iwete ngano kende nkere bwa kolere gya kunire serikali bosegia kuniro yo mino como uplift kimaisha ditukeli na bora toke kiwanja gabu na ebwerese buna bwa konyire serikali buska step ahead.
Ensemo y'abaremi nigo bagendrete korera obogima gokonga askire batere buna yenko bwatikana no gukina maguri kwebinto egento batere na nigo bagwetera chinga ki chingongu anene no nase ogukinya oburemi bwabo nabona nigo batebire buna nigo barachi kogendera gusira aba director bechae erioko ene kiabuna sector y'oburemi yaberege gukinirwa ase bayigo babere bakuboria serikali kwene kiabuna ngokeaniere abagoriye binto ko baroroberi obugima.
Rekta barengo romba ariete bese yeito bakaria bese yeito bunali sakara metu. Bono igongo konde muiganga bono this round time. Bari barasa abisi bono tikaba kore meremu. Kende gyonsinke baisa kobakosa. Kaba abisi. Ase serikali yeito ya Kenya. Ne bwate constitution. E constitution isi kokori kote bari jikokori kote baiga. Gwe kananda election yende korwa monta amanya korwa abisi bari bara abisi tigaba kole meremu monyore gabangina gotwa jandeka kibese jigaje bo baba gaka boni goto bwato mo jando morocho bo siase bo gakinete bo gakare irongo obosio mabuko 200 kikiro Ibere bono twajandekire ejato jikorigire twana chwa bakana ja obwoyo bwensi bibakakora bakaire bese ebana asiga soke tayo nanda bamuraba bakire bono kabateke tukurwania bamuratu aire meremo
Mwancho murigero ritogotigana nayo nigo murai wense Dr. William Samoei Ruto aikirana asensemo ya Laikipia asomuyega bwo gucengera abanyanyimbo bege kosi ya KDF omuyega ogenderete gokorekana ase ensemo ya Laikipia Airbase.
Excellency, President of the Republic of Kenya,
Agoritangani bano muraiwense Dr. William Samoei Ruto nigabaga kwarigania masakara y'abambassador baya abo bagochorwa iri gukora emirimo imense ya Kenya umuroberio okorekana se nyumba y'oburayi ya State House ime mu Nairobi unenchire yemo yoko banchirana gukore emirimo ne serikali ya Kenya eri okorwa obokoreri burobia.
Thank you and welcome to Kenya again. Thank you.
My duty as ambassador aims at looking for solutions, and I'm confident that working together we will improve and strengthen our relations in all the fields of common interests.
Excellency, you may introduce
Yes.
your team to His Excellency the President.
Mr. President.
Kenya enjoy historically warm and friendly relations that has evolved into a robust and multi-dimensional partnership.
Allow me to present the compliments of President Macron and the people of France to Your Excellency and to the people of Kenya. My mandate is to strengthen our bilateral relations and translate key ambitions into concrete actions set forth by President Macron.
Nekerabono abagavana bagendrete kubachora abawaziri abarach kubwatirana eryo kurwa bokorerego cyase abananchi nigo egati yabarai kurwa se county ya Nakuru anene bali bakurwa segesa kukyabaluya bamuganiro mugavana bwe county ya Nakuru Susan Kihika kubwatanye abantu kurwa se egesa kuyonsi Kihika nigo akageire kubachora nabayo kubararia abawaziri ritkorya rero.
We, the leaders and representatives of Luya community residing in Nakuru County, hereby today, on behalf of and for the entire community, take this opportunity to congratulate Her Excellency the Governor Susan Kihika for successfully being elected to lead us in this capacity. It may have taken us a while, but most of us have individually done this before. It is time for us as a community to pledge and assure her our collective support in delivering her most awaited agenda to the people of Nakuru. We want to request her to consider and include Luya community in her appointment, including but not limited to members of the County Executive Committee, chief officers and directors, among other positions at her disposal. We expect her to take this initiative as a way to express our gratitude to the community as we continue supporting her. As a staunch supporter of Kenya Kwanza ideologies, we look forward to her to borrow a leave from the appointments at the national government level.
The ladies, we are saying we are so proud of our governor, and we are actually looking forward to an all-inclusive government of Nakuru County, and we expect and request Madam Governor to look around and make sure the voice of the women, already the voice is out because of you and your government. And we are saying if you include us, we are going to make sure that all people are taken care of. Let's take care of the gender issues, and definitely we are going to have a very powerful government.
Nekiombe yechi kanisa imense ya Kenya National Council Churches of Kenya NCCK nigo baganire abasibati abarasobora igosegeta abasibati bande kwimukereria nabo igogoso gusekurya amabaga ase oburayi abwatani korwase ekiombe kyo ime county ya Kwale inse yo muroberi omanyekanite buna wadada wa power nigo batebire buna abasibati korwase county ya Kwale bairweri baga asoburayi ekyokere ekyorokererie kiya nengana yasegetwa n'umunyakerugo bw'ekyombekyo asorogongo wa Pwani Peter Mwero.
Ilikuwa ifiki wadada 20 hapo nyuma, sasa tulikuwa na wadada 46 waliogombea viti mbalimbali. Kati ya wao kuna wale walichujwa wakati wa mchujo, lakini 12 yao walienda kwa uchaguzi mkuu, walikuwa kwa ballot. Na kati ya hao 12 tunashukuru kwamba kuna 2 walikuwa elected. Mmoja ambaye ni Her Excellency Governor mwenyewe wa Kwale County, na pia tuko na MCA for the very first time tuko na MCA wa mwanamke ambaye amechaguliwa.
Hapo mbeleni kasha ilikuwa imefunga sana wanawake katika eneo hii ya Kwale, lakini kwa hivi sasa kuna mabadiliko sana kwa sababu dini zimekubali kwamba wanawake wanaweza. Kasha ya huku Kwale imekubali kwamba wanawake wanaweza.
Wametutia nguvu, wametupa moyo kiasi cha kwamba bado mimi najihisi mwaka 2027 nitakuwa mshindi.
Kwamba unaweza kuanguka hata kama ni mara 7, lakini bado kuna kusimama na kuinuka tena, na kuna nafasi nyingine. Na kukutana kwetu hapa kuangalia yale ambao labda yalikuwa ni changamoto, ni kwa njia fulani kuweza kuboresha, ili siku za usoni waweze kuwa na nafasi nzuri zaidi ya kuweza kushinda katika nyadhifa hizi za uongozi.
Mancho muligari bano ayone gatiari na kwariganiretie asebensa ya Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere senchira ere yobwenye korende amankento genderete go kwariganiri na ndeno chiko nyora senchira yobwenye ekero chirarage Chinsa 10 gendra go tobwatia sensemo ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital, asensemo ya YouTube ni gora tonyoru wetira Ndizi TV News na bogo tobwatia asensemo ya Twitter wetira @Ndizi TV News, boigase website yaito ni gora tonyoru wetira www.ndizitv.or.ke erio togendere gukumanya manke ngukwaneria oburigere borobia na boigo umubasoro motoerero ireteriane Everline Osero orutwa kubatirana nere kwenekia awekera sensemo imanyerero ni gakoro kwa Joshua Auta.
Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'Gusii. Ekampani ya Davis and Shuttle nigo yakorentire kimashini au shekerero icyo gutumika simirimo yawo asobukoreri bwabo nigo bakonia chipampu chiriya cyo gutumike engine na boigo ikigutumike stima nkoni bali chiriya cyo gutumika asugushyirira ebimeliya mache mugondo cha sprinkler na boigo drip irrigation boigo mbubwate chipampu cyugwaka mache kurwegesima mbubwate kimashini cyuko na cy'ubunyansi chi generator chibirengo au chi solar panels cyugo charge chi battery na koga cy'umuriro na boigo chiriya cyo kubwatia mache mbubwata mariogo yugusibya mache yukonywa ibyabuzo n'ibintu bindi binge bigutumika asugusibya swimming pool nigo vakubeka chipamp cyuwaka mache icyo kigutumika stima gose solar kuruwase chibohol gose bisima wikase tanki yao boigo nechitaya gose birogo byo gutumie sola ekero kwagurire kuruwase bare nigo bagukubuguria umusigo gwikase nka yao nigo bagutoka imeyumu chukisi ase bara ya Hospital Road angenebenki ya credit ase roundabout irangi na KTRH bakirisimi ase namba inotisano nesato isano nemo Ibere isano nemo inye isano gose enotibere enotisano nemo kianda isano nemo isano nesato eyemo isano neibere marakabire gose enotibere enotisano nemo kianda isano nemo isano nesato eyemo isano neibere ibere gose enotibere enotisano nemo kianda isano nemo isano nesato isato ibere inya Davis and Shuttle ango yobo kori emirimo bwao asogotumeka kimashini cyekerero nkuriole nyumba okogora obulemu okogora gose property management tuwechandanonya ekiagira Green Track Estate Agencies na bwabamanyi bwamang'anaya asegike gitambe nobale imeyumu chukisi asamagacho Ahuru Plaza lirongoli ya gatatu room number 307A gusoba kiresimi ase namba enotisano na ibere marakabere inye noti isato isano nemo Green Track Estate Agencies banyore bakwangwerie okonyoragirio tagete Wima Electricals and Electronics nabaoni ya bebinto byoko igo kistima na electronics cyo gutumika nyumba buna chi TV set